Hey everyone, welcome back to Spanish Buddy. I'm Sophia and we're so excited you're here learning Spanish with us today.
And I'm Carlos. Thanks for joining another fun and practical Spanish lesson, where we focus on real conversations you can actually use.
Today's topic is something people talk about constantly.
Weekend plans.
Seriously, this conversation happens everywhere.
At school, at work, while texting friends, during coffee breaks, while traveling, and even when meeting new people.
Native speakers love asking questions like, "What are you doing this weekend?" because it's friendly and easy conversation.
And it's perfect for beginner Spanish learners too.
By the end of today's lesson, you'll know how to talk about your weekend plans naturally in Spanish.
You'll learn how to invite friends, describe activities, talk about future plans, and sound more conversational.
We'll also practice pronunciation, casual texting phrases, mini dialogues, and common mistakes learners make.
And don't worry if speaking Spanish still feels scary sometimes.
We're keeping everything beginner-friendly and practical.
Because confidence comes from using simple phrases often.
Quick question for everyone watching.
What's your ideal weekend?
Relaxing at home, going shopping, watching movies, traveling, or hanging out with friends.
Try answering in Spanish in the comments.
Even a simple sentence is great speaking practice.
Also, if you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to SpanishBuddy.
Your support helps us create more real-life Spanish lessons every week.
And remember to pause the video and repeat phrases out loud.
Speaking practice is the fastest way to improve.
All right, let's start learning Spanish for weekend plans.
Okay, first let's learn some very common weekend phrases in Spanish.
These expressions are used constantly in daily conversation.
One super useful question is,
¿Qué vas a hacer este fin de semana? What are you going to do this weekend?
repeat after me.
¿Qué vas a hacer este fin de semana?
Fin de semana means weekend.
Pronunciation help. It sounds like fin de semana.
Great.
Here's a simple answer.
Voy a descansar. I'm going to rest.
Repeat after me.
Voy a descansar.
Excellent.
Another common sentence is,
Voy a salir con amigos. I'm going out with friends.
salir means to go out.
Repeat after me.
Voy a salir con amigos.
Nice.
Let's learn more useful activities.
Voy a ver una película. I'm going to watch a movie.
Voy a visitar a mi familia. I'm going to visit my family.
Voy a trabajar. I'm going to work.
Voy a estudiar. I'm going to study.
Repeat after me slowly.
Voy a trabajar.
Voy a estudiar.
Excellent.
Here's another useful question.
¿Tienes planes para el sábado? Do you have plans for Saturday?
Repeat after me.
¿Tienes planes para el sábado?
Sábado sounds like sábado.
Great.
Now let's answer naturally.
Sí, voy a ir al centro comercial. Yes, I'm going to the mall.
Or, no tengo planes.
No, I don't have plans.
Repeat after me.
No tengo planes.
Excellent.
Let's imagine a real-life situation.
Your friend texts you.
¿Qué haces mañana? What are you doing tomorrow?
You answer.
Voy a quedarme en casa. I'm going to stay home.
Very natural and common. Repeat after me. Voy a quedarme en casa.
Great.
Let's practice negatives too.
Very important in conversation.
No voy a trabajar este fin de semana. I'm not going to work this weekend.
Repeat after me.
No voy a trabajar este fin de semana.
Nice.
Can you say this in Spanish?
I'm going to relax.
Voy a relajarme.
I'm going to visit friends.
Voy a visitar amigos.
Excellent.
Another useful phrase is,
Tengo muchos planes. I have many plans.
repeat after me.
Tengo muchos planes.
Great.
Remember, simple Spanish is powerful.
You don't need complicated grammar to sound natural.
Focus on useful phrases and pronunciation.
Quick summary.
We learned basic weekend vocabulary, useful questions, and natural answers.
Now let's move into real-life conversations.
All right, now let's use these phrases in realistic situations.
Because this is how native speakers actually talk.
Imagine you're at a cafe with coworkers on Friday.
Someone asks,
¿Qué planes tienes para el fin de semana?
you answer,
Voy a salir con unos amigos el sábado.
very natural.
Here's another conversation.
¿Quieres ir al cine mañana? Do you want to go to the movies tomorrow?
Sí, claro. Yes, of course.
Claro is used constantly in casual Spanish.
Repeat after me.
Sí, claro.
Great.
Let's imagine a travel situation.
Maybe you meet someone at the airport.
They ask,
¿Vas a viajar este fin de semana? Are you going to travel this weekend? You answer, Sí, voy a visitar otra ciudad.
very useful travel Spanish.
Repeat after me.
Voy a visitar otra ciudad.
Excellent.
Now let's compare formal and informal Spanish.
Informal.
¿Qué haces este fin de semana?
Formal.
¿Qué va a hacer este fin de semana?
Native speakers usually use informal Spanish with friends and younger people.
Formal Spanish is more common at work or with older people.
Exactly.
Let's compare textbook Spanish and natural Spanish.
Textbook Spanish might say,
Planeo participar en actividades recreativas.
correct, but very formal.
Most native speakers simply say,
Voy a salir.
much more natural.
Let's do a mini practice activity.
I'll say the English sentence.
You say it in Spanish.
I'm going shopping.
Voy de compras.
I'm staying home.
Voy a quedarme en casa.
Excellent.
Here are 3 quick tips for sounding natural.
First, use short future phrases like voy a.
Second, listen carefully to pronunciation rhythm.
Third, repeat useful expressions daily.
Native speakers repeat these phrases constantly.
Exactly.
Another useful phrase is,
Quiero descansar un poco. I want to relax a little.
repeat after me.
Quiero descansar un poco.
Great!
We'd love to hear your weekend plans too.
Try writing one weekend activity in Spanish in the comments.
Even simple examples help you improve faster.
Before moving on, let's review important expressions.
Voy a salir con amigos.
Tengo planes para el sábado.
Voy a quedarme en casa.
¿Qué haces este fin de semana?
Perfect.
Now let's focus on casual daily Spanish for weekend conversations.
This is the kind of Spanish people use while texting or chatting naturally.
Imagine your friend sends you a message.
¿Qué haces hoy? What are you doing today?
You answer,
Nada especial. Nothing special.
very common phrase.
Repeat after me.
Nada especial.
Excellent.
Another casual phrase is,
Estoy ocupado este fin de semana. I'm busy this weekend.
repeat after me.
Estoy ocupado este fin de semana.
Nice.
Here's a pronunciation tip.
Spanish sounds smoother when you connect words naturally.
Instead of saying voy a salir, try saying
Voy a salir.
much more natural.
Let's practice slowly.
Voy a ver una película.
Now faster.
Voy a ver una película.
Great.
Let's do a mini conversation.
¿Quieres venir conmigo? Do you want to come with me?
Sí, suena bien. Yes, sounds good.
Suena bien means sounds good.
Repeat after me.
Suena bien.
Excellent.
Another useful phrase is,
Tal vez salga esta noche. Maybe I'll go out tonight.
repeat after me.
Tal vez salga esta noche.
Great.
Let's imagine another real-life situation.
You're talking with coworkers on Monday.
They ask,
¿Qué hiciste el fin de semana? What did you do over the weekend?
you answer,
Descansé y vi películas. I rested and watched movies.
very natural conversation.
Here's a listening practice.
Listen carefully.
Voy a cenar con mi familia el domingo.
That means I'm going to have dinner with my family on Sunday.
Another one.
Este sábado voy a dormir mucho.
This Saturday, I'm going to sleep a lot.
Great job if you understood that.
And don't worry if listening feels difficult at first.
Listening improves through repetition and exposure.
Quick review.
We practice casual speaking, texting style Spanish, pronunciation flow, and daily conversations.
Now let's look at common mistakes learners make.
Because mistakes are part of learning.
Honestly, everyone makes mistakes when learning future phrases in Spanish.
Especially with voy a expressions.
One common mistake is direct English translation.
Some learners say,
Yo voy salir.
incorrect,
Correct version,
voy a salir.
because Spanish needs the a here,
Another common mistake is pronunciation.
especially with película.
Some learners stress the wrong syllable.
Natural pronunciation sounds like película.
Repeat after me.
Película.
Great.
Another mistake is mixing formal and informal Spanish.
Like saying,
¿Qué va a hacer, bro?
grammatically funny because it mixes formal and casual styles.
More natural.
¿Qué vas a hacer?
Exactly.
Another common mistake is forgetting verb agreement.
Some learners say,
Voy a películas,
incorrect. Correct version, voy a ver películas.
because you need the verb ver.
Here's a funny example,
One learner wanted to say, I'm going to rest.
but accidentally said,
Voy a restaurante.
which sounds like I'm going to restaurant.
The correct phrase is,
Voy a descansar.
repeat after me.
Descansar.
Excellent.
Remember, mistakes help your brain learn faster.
Nobody becomes fluent without making errors.
Focus on communicating clearly.
And practice speaking every single day.
Confidence grows through repetition.
Exactly.
Keep repeating useful weekend phrases naturally.
And focus on communication, not perfection.
All right, everyone, let's practice together.
Choose the correct sentence.
Situation number 1.
You want to say, I'm going to relax. Option A, voy a descansar.
Option B,
Soy a descansar.
correct answer.
Voy a descansar.
Excellent.
Repeat after me.
Voy a descansar.
Situation 2.
Which sounds more natural?
¿Qué haces este fin de semana?
Or,
¿Qué realiza usted este fin de semana?
both are correct.
But the first one sounds much more conversational.
Situation 3.
How do you say, I'm going shopping?
Voy de compras.
Great job.
Situation 4.
Which sentence is correct?
Voy a salir esta noche.
Or,
Voy a salir esta noche.
correct answer,
Voy a salir esta noche.
Excellent.
Situation 5.
How do you say, I don't have plans?
No tengo planes.
Perfect.
Pronunciation reminder.
Semana sounds like semana.
Película sounds like película.
Great.
Now create your own weekend sentence in Spanish.
Maybe,
Voy a ver una película.
or,
Voy a descansar en casa.
personal examples help vocabulary stay in your memory longer.
And remember, communication matters more than perfection.
Exactly.
All right, everyone, let's wrap up today's lesson.
Today we learned how to talk naturally about weekend plans in Spanish.
We practiced useful future phrases, real-life conversations, pronunciation, and common mistakes.
We also learned casual expressions for texting and daily conversations.
Most importantly, we practiced speaking confidently.
Remember, fluency comes from daily practice and repetition.
So after this lesson, try describing your weekend plans in Spanish.
Even short sentences are powerful speaking practice.
And don't be afraid to repeat phrases many times.
That's how real progress happens.
Before we go, tell us in the comments, what Spanish topic should we cover next on SpanishBuddy?
Maybe restaurant conversations, travel Spanish, shopping vocabulary, or beginner listening practice.
And if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to SpanishBuddy.
Your support really helps us continue making practical Spanish lessons every week.
Thanks so much for learning with us today.
Keep practicing Spanish every single day.
You're improving more than you think.
See you next time.